Hi, I want to talk to you today about this heavy duty 10 outlet strip that's made out of aluminum. Now, normally you would find this, say, in a construction site or some kind of area where you have a lot of tools, like maybe on a workbench. But here's the thing, I have an apartment and there aren't a lot of outlets in this apartment, but I have a ton of things that need charged in those outlets. And so I'm always running around trying to figure out where I'm going to plug something in to get it charged up. And then, I always end up losing the charging cord because they're strung all over the place. So I decided to create a charging station in my office. So let me show you what I did. On a regular size strip bar, there is not enough room at each one to put one. So you're losing a spot. Where on this, there is plenty of room to put them up here. So now, I can put as many adapters as I need. I can charge several items at one time, keeping all of my stuff organized and all in one place. And I can put more of these, or I could put another outlet like this, which holds 3. This has turned into a perfect solution for my lack of outlets in an apartment that doesn't have very many outlets, and I can keep all of my stuff in one place. I'm not running all over the place looking for outlets to charge my stuff. This is a simple, easy solution, and that's just my honest opinion.